This winter, sip on the super drink Kanji, a homemade probiotic drink which is enriched with the goodness of carrots, beetroots, sunlight, and spices. It is nothing less than a magic tonic which helps in relieving multiple ailments from bloating and cough to weakness and constipation. Kanji is rich in probiotics as it is brewed from fermentation and promotes gut health. Being rich in vitamin C, a glass of Kanji enhances our immunity and prevents us from getting the flu. Kanji is heart healthy and diabetic friendly. It lowers cholesterol and keeps blood sugar in check as it is loaded with antioxidants and has the presence of various vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium and manganese. Kanji has a large amount of anthocyanin, the antioxidant that is responsible for your glowing skin. This maroon drink also enhances collagen production due to its vitamin C content and keeps the skin elastic and hydrated all winter long. What are you waiting for? Go grab a glass of this nourishing probiotic and easy to make drink. Read caption for the recipe. Enjoy.